Many South Carolina parents can get more help paying for child care. The Department of Social Services has announced that they will increase the amount of money paid to child care providers for low-income families. News 19's Julia Kaufman has more.
For many parents, paying for childcare is getting harder and harder.
We know that the cost of childcare is a huge expense.
That's why South Carolina's Department of Social Services is helping cover the costs for low-income families.
This will be a long-term rate increase. This won't be just a temporary fix during COVID, that this will be a long-term investment in our providers.
The rate increase is for the money DSS pays to childcare providers for families enrolled in their SC voucher program. Spokesperson Connolly Ann Ragley says the agency is now upping the weekly payment to help parents and providers.
Centers and providers will benefit as well, because this is really going to kind of level the playing field between providers that take vouchers and then also for private pay families.
For example, if a child is 2 years old and has a voucher, DSS covered $205 in daycare costs weekly. Now it'll be $284 weekly.
We know that childcare is such an important piece of the puzzle for our workforce, not only in South Carolina, but as the nation in a whole. And there is a real need for childcare. There's been a need for childcare for quite some time. Studies have shown over the last 5 years, not just because of COVID-19, that the need for childcare is increasing.
DSS was able to increase payments thanks to federal funding, but daycares must apply for the agency's ABC quality program to get the extra money. To learn more about the DSS programs, head to WLTX.com.
Well, during the pandemic, the Department of Social Services gave more than $180 million to child care providers to help keep the agencies open. And